channel. In the last video we have seen how to create the database. Now we will continue the video for creating table. So first three lines are same, that we have to import mysql.connector, then we have to make the connection object. mycon is here connection object. Next line is that we have to create the cursor object, so here mycur is cursor object. Next we have to create the table. So in the same database exam 2024 we are going to create one new table, student. So we will write the query in mycursor.execute create table if not exist student, roll number integer, name, data type you can take as varchar 20, next marks integer, next address also we will take as varchar 20, or you can give any space according to you. So after that what we have to do, save the query and write mycon.close, execute it. So you will see that table is created in the database. mycon.close, execute it. So no error, that means table is created. Now next is the extract data from the result set. In the last class we have seen how to display the data from the database. So here are three functions: fetch all, fetch many, fetch one. Fetch all, it will fetch all rows. Fetch many, display the number of rows which is mentioned, and fetch one, only single record will be returned. So we will write the query select a star from student in mycur.execute, select a star from student. Then we will use fetch all function. We will display all the data which is present in the database. So in our database we have entered 4 records through the backend itself. Here we are going to fetch all the records using fetch all function. So for I in X, print I. So all the 4 database which is present in the database will be displayed, executed, and you will get all the 4 roll numbers which you have entered. I hope the query is clear. Now next is mycursor.row count. That part also we will see, but before that these 2 functions are remaining, that fetch many and fetch one. Comment all the 3 lines. So there are 2 methods for commenting. Either you can write single hash or you can comment the lines using triple quotes. So I have written single hash comment, single line comment I am using. mycur.fetch all, already I have shown to you. So we will use fetch one, that means single record from the database is returned. On the only the topmost row will be returned. So for I in X, print I, you can see, save the command, execute it. Then you can see only single record will be returned. So 1 Abhay 100 Delhi, because one by one you are printing. So what is the difference between the fetch all and fetch one? Fetch all function was returning the list of lines, but fetch one, tuple, it will return tuple. So 1 Abhay 100 Delhi, if you are writing, that is returned as a tuple. Fetch all, list of tuples. Fetch one, only tuple. Now I am using multi-line comment. So next we will see fetch many function. In fetch many we have to pass the size of the records, how many records you want to display. So in our example, if I want to display only first 3 record, we will write mycurs.fetch many, then 3. Size you have to pass. Again you use for loop for iteration, the number of records, iterating the number of records. For I in X, print I, execute it. Here also you will get first 3 records. So I hope this example is clear. The difference between fetch all, fetch one, fetch many is clear. Now my cursor dot row count. In fetch menu we have passed 3 rows, so only 3 records are returned. So use my cursor dot row count. It will display the total number of records fetched after running. So 3 records only it will display. Number of rows are 3. Number of rows it will display as 3 because 3 records are returned. So next we will see the parameterized query. There are 2 methods of using parameterized query, one with percent formatting, one with dot format. So string templates with percent formatting, then string formatting with dot format. Let us see both these formats. First we will see the data. Select star from student, 4 records were there. Now first 3 lines will be same. We have to display the data of the student whose marks is greater than 80. We will write the command mycur.execute, select star from student where marks greater than equal to %s, that is string formatting. So here %s will take value 80. That means marks should be greater than equal to 80. And then for displaying, again you have to use fetch all function. So for I next, all the records which in which student is having marks greater than 80 will be displayed. Close the connection, execute it, and you will get the output. Here invalid syntax is there because one bracket I missed. One bracket at the end is missing. mycur.execute. So again invalid syntax till, or here I have changed, added one bracket at the end, execute it. Now see the records are displayed. So next is second method is dot format method, which is used to create formatted string by adding values into the placeholder. So first we will comment that line. Now using with dot format method, how to write the command select star from student where name is equal to single quote we have to write, and then curly braces. That means this is a parameter value which name is going to take. And same for marks. Marks also you write in the braces, curly braces. Then close the triple quotes. Write dot format, close the double quote, dot format. Then in dot format method, here name and marks, 2 parameters are there, so pass the values corresponding to name and marks. So name, suppose I am passing Abhay, marks I am passing 100 because I entered 100 marks. So name is equal to Abhay and marks is equal to 100. Only that record will be displayed. Execute it. See the output. And because one extra bracket I added, so error will be there. Remove the extra bracket. Then see, first record was displayed. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Keep subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.